Engineering is not just about machines, it is about shaping the future. At SOET, academic excellence is driven by doctorate qualified faculty and professors of practice, delivering industry-aligned, outcome-based education. Students gain hands-on experience in advanced robotics labs, mechanical and civil engineering labs, working on real-time prototypes and intelligent systems. With the Satish Dhawan Center of Excellence, incubation facilities, research labs, patents, and student-developed applications, innovation is at the core of SOET. Global certifications, project-based learning, and strong industry connections lead our students to successful careers in top national and international organizations. Choose excellence, choose innovation, choose SOET at CT University.